So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday the 15th of March. Now, let's have a look at what prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices head up towards the 106.94, from which we did see the sell side momentum bring us back down towards this 106.32. Had prices then retest the 107.32, and we did see prices head back down towards this 106.32 again. Now, I did mention in yesterday's video that I was looking for potential head and shoulders if we did hold support at 106.32 and turned around at the 106.94. We would have a shoulder, a potential head, and this is all at resistance levels. Resistance here for an head and shoulders pattern for prices to head down towards possibly that 105.55 or even lower still, all the way down towards this 104.65. Now, we didn't see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market to an extent that we tested the 106.94. Instead, what we did see was a slow move to the downside, punctuated by a series of bullish candles. So just the degree of indecisiveness. We've had prices come down towards the 106.32. Found some buy side momentum, minor, but we did trade below the 106.32, retested from underneath, and we did see a subsequent breakdown in prices. Now, we have seen prices come down here towards this 105.80. We didn't quite get down towards this 105.55, the level that we are looking at here on. We didn't quite get down here towards the 105.55. The very next level that we are looking at here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We do seem to have found some buy side momentum coming into the market here at the 105.80. So if we do see the continuation of this buy side momentum come back into the market, we are looking for prices to head up towards the 106.32. In around the 106.32, we do have daily confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing sell side momentum. If we do see our sell side momentum, we are looking to retest these lows here in around that 105.80, successful break from which is a minor level in. Nonetheless, we are looking for price to head down towards that 105.55, and if we do break below the 105.55, I suppose the very next level is all the way down at 104.65. I suppose that's a bit, that'd be too far out of the range, I would think. It'd be too far out of range, so possibly in around that 105, 105.20, possibly being where we could potentially find some support and a retracement here on this market. If, however, we are able to successfully navigate above the, 106.32 and the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, we are looking for prices to retest the 400 period moving average here at 106.60. Previously found some successful break from which we are looking for prices to head up towards the 106.94, and I'd expect 106.94 to be the far end of the range here to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen. We'll just have a look at the daily chart here, well, for the hourly time frame. As you can see here on the hourly chart, the trend clearly is to the downside. We continue to trade below the 20 period moving average. We've had a test of the 107.32, from which we have seen a rejection, and we do seem poised for further downside momentum here. So we do have a series of lower highs. We've had a rejection after we've traded above the 20 period moving average, and we do seem poised for further downside momentum here on the market to a level where we have previously found support. And yep, that wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.